It's Kevin again, here to show you how to make a sampan, a Japanese flat-bottomed boat. And as you can see, this is seaworthy. It does float and floats for quite a while. You could also just use it as a dish or a coin holder. I'm just going to push this aside for now and show you how to do this. Pretty easy fold. Doesn't have to be a super crispy new bill, but again, as usual, it works pretty well with a fairly new one, avoiding a lot of extra creases and so forth that'll confuse you. First thing you do is fold it in half. And that's just for the crease. Fold it up. In half there. And this one stays folded, so crease that extra well. Same thing on this side, fold it up to the center. And now what you do, all four corners, we're going to do the same thing. Fold it up like this. Crease it down good. And then fold it again to make a even sharper corner. And again, we're just folding the corner up, both layers, up to the center. And folding sharply in there. The order that you do the corners doesn't matter at all. All four of them need to get done. Again, fold corner up like so. And then fold it up again. One last corner. Fold it up. And then fold it up again. That one's getting away from me a little bit. Mashing them down, mash them down. Make good creases. Now the next fold is kind of interesting. What you do is you kind of fold across the center crease that you already made there. You're going to open this up like that. Grab hold of these folds that you made to keep them in place good and turn it inside out like that. Press up from the bottom with your fingers. And then go to this other end. Do the same thing here. Split it open, hold the creases that you made, push with your middle fingers, and turn it inside out. And then finish turning it inside out. Go along those creases a little bit that where you folded it into quarters. That'll flatten the bottom out good. And there, you have just made a flat bottom boat. I don't know if you noticed, when I started, I had George Washington face up. So whatever fold you do, whatever side you want on the inside, is the opposite of what's face up at the beginning. And that, my friends, is how you make a flat bottom boat. Thank you for joining me. Like and subscribe, and check out my other videos as well. Again, this is Kevin, and I'll see you next time.